Welcome back to the channel. I'm just fast checking some few things on the Pontiac. Last time I changed out the lights on the side there with a number plate. Was thinking to check the filter because I have new filters. Also here, this of course is not right. I started up again. See, can't have this thing. I just have to find out what's wrong here. See also here, it's not the screw that's supposed to be here. It's completely wrong. This of course is going further back. Here you see the radiator. I have no clamping. I'm not sure how it's supposed to be. Also this cover, of course not supposed to stand like that. So just to feel that I'm actually getting somewhere, I just put in some nothing like it's supposed to be here. Now then I can open here. Change the filter. And this filter system was I'm not sure what's wrong here, but at least it's not right. Because one thing is the filter could be completely too small. Yeah. Lot of things hanging on. Yeah, got a new filter. The new filter don't seem to be any bigger than the old one, so I'm just believing it's supposed to be like this. New filter. Let's see what's maybe the problem here. Seems I should have a piping. Let's see here. All these things are just to get the screw to start picking up. My problem is this hood was not right. Yeah, I was planning to put in this screw here and the length was okay, but it was just a little too thick. So I just had to find another one. The other one I had with me was too short. And now the mounting systems here are broken off, so I have to see if I can find something to change there. See, the shaker hood is just it's not connected, it's just jumping up and down. Difficult. Yes, I see very little here now. I also see I have to fix this plate. I was thinking to screw it out and take it with me to work and fix one. The Pontiac stereo. I think the ignition and things need to be fixed. At least some things are working. That's nice. What is this? What is this button? I don't have a clue. Is something mounted later? I think it gets all too much gasoline. Oil pressure gauge is working. Water temperature may be working. This for how much gasoline is, I don't have a clue. Voltage is at least not working. Yeah. It's a lot of things. So, sorry about the light there now, but I'm not trying to stress with this car. I'm just trying to enjoy it, that I was finding it. And yeah, I have so much other cars that have given me stress on my back and corona and shit. So, just I'm trying to fix small thing at a time. And see if I can out enjoy it a trip or two during this season. If I can't, okay, it's okay then. It's hopefully I'll survive next season too. So let's see. I see something. I should have been a framing system here, like here. That one is missing. Okay. This frame. That would be nice to find. Yeah. Otherwise, could be other things too, of course. So you just have to take it piece by piece. Yeah, please follow my channel. Please give me ideas, things to look for and things to do with this Pontiac. As some of you people that have been out looking at the list of my videos, is a lot of videos. It's soon going to be 600 videos. And not so much on American cars, but in the old days I had many different American cars. So some small short videos I put out lately. It's just telling about some of the old cars I have had. So it's too bad that I don't have much picture and not video to show from that, but I found some more pictures of some other projects. I'm trying to put together a longer video about some of them, that I have some more. So that is coming, maybe not before the next winter. But hopefully now the weather is not going to snow anymore, so we can out enjoying some car shows and things. That would be nice. So, but please follow the channel. Please start. Yeah, please like the videos and please start following, because every new follower is like a gold for me, who is a small channel. Every comment, every person that trying to give me good advice, tell about their car, everything like that is very, very nice. It helps an old guy like me a lot to see that someone cares. And I'm trying to put up what I can about all kinds of cars that I have, so other people can get help too. So we have to help each other. It's the only way. It's too expensive for me to go to a repair place every time I need to do something. So thank you. Please come back.